If you're looking for a new barkada spot, tara! For today's episode of Turista sa Sariling Bayan, we're here at The Smokery. For drinks, we got Bee's Knees and our new favorite, Amaretto Sour. For starters, we got our dirty fries, crispy, cheesy, and hindi tinipid 100 out of 10. For Pares lovers, their Pares tacos is definitely a must-try. Isa to sa mga babalikan talaga namin. We also tried their bestseller, beef chimichurri with eggs, java rice, and potato salad. Mekos-mekos mo lang kasi mas masarap talaga yung flavors kapag sama-sama mo siyang kinain. For burritos, we were excited to try their take on their classic kare-kare with bagoong para kompleto ang experience. But for me, mas masarap tong smoked burrito. So try nyo siya. We also tried their Bianca pasta. If mahilig kayo sa mga Italian carbonara with eggs, ito yon. All this for less than 2,000 pesos. Super sulit, especially when you're with friends and family. From food truck to now a restaurant, ang saya lang to see our local food scene thriving. Kaya naman,